Hey, this is Good Clean Fun. Have you ever gotten paint transfer on your vehicle? Check out this before and after, and then I'll show you a process to get rid of it. Now, the details don't really matter whether or not you hit someone or something or someone hit you. The process is the same. All you need is a magic eraser and some water. So I've got my magic eraser, it's wet, and here's the paint transfer that we're gonna remove. Now, magic erasers are abrasive enough to where it's gonna remove the paint transfer, but you don't wanna overdo it. Some areas you might have to work a little harder at. Also, I recommend going horizontally, not up and down in general, even when you're washing your vehicle. Here I'm wiping the area dry, and I notice there's a few spots that are a little more embedded into the clear coat, so I'm gonna have to go back over those. And just like that, I wipe it clean, and it's like it never even happened. Life's messy, and that's okay. That's why I started my channel. So if you like this type of content, follow for more.